Hello everyone, I'm going to be making caramel pretzel nut popcorn. This is a recipe I've been wanting to make for a while, so watch me as I make it for the first time. So I got all my ingredients all lined up. So here I got pretzels, peanuts, and then my popcorn. I have this little microwave popper that I got several years ago. You just put it in the microwave and whoop, it pops in the microwave super quick. So let me do that. So my popcorn is all hot and piping warm. So now I'm ready to go to the next step. That is making the caramel sauce. So next I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then about 2 tablespoons corn syrup, and then 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I'm going to boil that until it gets nice and gooey. So let's do that. So you'll see I'm cooking this in a saucepan, and it's starting to get all gooey. This is exactly what we want. I'm going to put this on low heat so that it doesn't burn because it's a lot of sugar. So now it has the consistency that I'm really looking for. Nice and thick. Alright, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, so now I'm going to add a pinch of vanilla, just like a drop. Gonna add a pinch of baking powder and a pinch of salt. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It's getting such beautiful color. The baking soda is making it foam up. Alright, so now I'm going to crush up the pretzels. Got my little, I'm gonna add the popcorn. I'm gonna add my peanuts. I'm just gonna just mix this around. So I'm gonna pour the sauce on it. There we go. We got the drippers going. We got the drippers going. God, I love this. I'm actually going to a party tomorrow, and I think I may bring this as a gift. This really worked out well, I think, because the caramel really bound to all of the other elements. So there isn't like any caramel that's like left at the bottom. It's like all on the element. Now it's time to taste. Let's see. Great. Absolutely love it. I'm going to put on a little more salt though. Give it that. Yeah, that's it. I have my gift for my New Year's Eve party I'm going to tomorrow. Alright, so try it and see if it comes out for you. I'll leave the recipe that I stole in the description below. See you next time.